Hi all, welcome to automated resolution of terminated process restored on Linux operating system using Zabbix and Rundeck. In this video, we are going to demonstrate resolution of identifying and restoring a terminated process from log file on Linux operating system using alert from the Zabbix and resolution from the Rundeck. The complete process is orchestrated through the Jenkins pipeline. The tools which are used for this scenario are GitLab is used for source code management, Jenkins is used for continuous integration, Zabbix is used for monitoring tool, Rundeck is used for runbook automation tool. Let's explore the workflow of automated resolution of terminated process restoration on Linux operating system using Zabbix and Rundeck stage by stage. In the first stage, Jenkins job will pull the script from the GitLab. In the next stage, Jenkins will transfer and execute the script to the Linux node, which has the instruction to terminate the process on the machine. After a few minutes, the log file is passed by the Zabbix for terminated process and alert message is sent to the Zabbix dashboard for the Linux node. Now an alert mail is sent to the admin user and Zabbix will trigger the Rundeck job. In the next stage, the Rundeck job will execute a script to restore the terminated process on the Linux node. Once the Rundeck job completes, the terminated process would have been restored and it has come back to normal on the Linux node and the resolution email is sent to the admin user. Finally, the terminated process restoration resolved message is shown on the Zabbix dashboard for the Linux node. Let's see the pipeline in action. First, let us check the Linux node on the Zabbix dashboard. Now, let us trigger the Jenkins job. In the first stage, Jenkins pipeline job is pulling the script from the GitLab. In the next stage, Jenkins will be transfer and execute the script on the Linux node. In the next stage, the terminated process detail alerted message is shown on the Zabbix dashboard and an alert email is sent to the admin user. In the next stage, a Rundeck job alert is triggered from Zabbix. Now the Rundeck job executes the script to resolve the terminated process and restore the same on the Linux node, and the result email is sent to the admin user. The Rundeck job will execute the script to resolve the terminated process and restore the same in the Linux node, and the result email from Rundeck is sent to the admin user. Finally, the resolution of the terminated process for the Linux node is shown on the Zabbix dashboard, and then result email is sent to the admin user. This is the complete workflow of automated resolution for terminated process on Linux operating system using Zabbix and Rundeck. For more information, please press www.zpf.com. Please follow us on social media. Links are available in the description. Like, share and comment on this video. Subscribe to our channel for the latest happening on the DevOps.